Hello and welcome. Today we're going to break down the different types of WordPress themes and help you figure out which is the best for your needs, even you have absolutely no technical experience. So let's get started. First off, what exactly is a WordPress theme? Simply put, a theme controls how your website looks and feels. It's like a suite for your website, dressing it up in the style you choose. When you use a WordPress, your content is completely separated from its presentation. This means that the look and feel of your site can change completely by just using a different theme, while your content will remain the same. Let's consider an example. Hey, I am using the default 2023 theme. Now in the next example, I've installed and activated other themes, which gives the site a completely different look and feel. However, the content remains the same. It's important to note that your site won't automatically look exactly like the theme thumbnail or demo pages when you install and activate it. These are just examples of what the theme can achieve and may require additional plugins to fully replicate the appearance. While there are thousands of free themes available in the WordPress repository, premium themes can be found outside of it. Keep in mind that many of free themes also offer premium versions with additional features. You might be wondering, what kind of themes are available? There are 4 key types to be aware of: block themes, classic themes, hybrid themes, and universal themes. It's worth noting that the block themes and classic themes are the most commonly used, with block themes representing the future of WordPress. Let's start by talking about block themes. A block theme uses a block for every part of your site, including menus, headers, content, and footers. With a block theme, you can easily edit and customize all these areas using the site editor. Let me show you how a block theme works. First, I go to the Appearance section and click on Themes. I've activated a block-based theme called 2023. If you look at the left sidebar, you'll see an option called Editor. Clicking on Editor takes you to the site editor where you can create and edit your pages. You can start a new page or modify an existing one. In addition to editing pages, you can also change the overall style of your site. This means you can customize the appearance of specific blocks. The site editor also lets you set up templates, which are like blueprints of how different types of pages should look. So, you can create new templates or modify the ones that come with your theme. You also find options for managing patterns, which are pre-designed layouts for part of your site, like headers and footers. You can use patterns that come with the theme or ones you've created yourself. If you are new to terms like styles, templates, or patterns, don't worry. We'll dive into each of these in details in our upcoming videos. You'll get a clear understanding of what they are and how to use them to make your WordPress site look exactly the way you want. So stay tuned. Everything will be explained step by step. A great feature of block themes is the ability to preview them before you switch. When you hover over a block theme, you also see a button for live preview. Clicking on it takes you to the site editor, where you can see and interact with the theme before making any changes. You can customize things like the site style or font. Once you're happy with the changes, you can explore your page in template. If you like how everything looks, you can activate the theme and save all your customize. A classic theme is different from block themes because it doesn't use the block editor to manage your site layout, except for posts and pages. Instead, it relies on tools like the customizer, menus, and widgets to make changes to your site. Classic themes have been around for a long time, so there are many options to choose from. Let's look at an example. If we go to the Appearance section and click on Themes, you will see that I activated the 2016 theme. When you do this, you'll notice options like the Customizer in the sidebar settings. By opening the Customizer, you can change all the settings from your theme from one place. This is how you control things like your site's color, fonts, and layout. A hybrid theme is a mix of classic and modern features. It's a classic theme that also includes some newer tools like the template editor. For example, with a hybrid theme, you can still use the customizer to make changes to your site, but you also have the options to create your own custom templates. Let's walk through it. First, go to the Pages section and open one of your pages. Then, look at the sidebar setting on the right. Click on the templates, and from there, you can either assign a different template to the page or create custom template of your own. This gives you more flexibility while still keeping things familiar if you used to classic themes. Lastly, let's talk about universal themes. A universal theme is very versatile because it can be set up in two different ways, either as a block theme or a classic theme. This means you can choose to use the newer block editor or stick with the traditional customizer, whatever suits your needs. For example, I have installed the universal theme Emulsion. With Emulsion, you have the flexibility to access both the customizer and the editor. This allows you to switch between the classic setup and the modern block-based design, giving you the best of both worlds. Universal themes are perfect if you want the freedom to explore both methods and see which you prefer. Next, let's talk about searching and adding a new theme. To add a new theme, go to Appearance and click on Themes. At the top, click on Add New. You can search for the most popular themes, the latest ones that have been added, and a scented area for block themes. When you click on a theme, you will be able to see more details about the theme as well as preview. When you click on the Feature filter, you will be able to search for themes according to subject, features, and layout. What makes a theme stand out? To review a theme, head over to WordPress.org, hover over Download and Extend, and then select Themes. Here, you can explore a wide range of themes. Once you find one that you're interested in, click More Info to get additional details about the theme. On the right-hand side, you'll find all the information needed to make informed choice. Checking the version updates, active installation, and rating will give you a good idea of the experiences others have had with the theme. How do you install a theme? To add a new theme, go to Appearance, click on Themes, and choose Add New. Once you find the theme you want, click on Install. After the installation, be sure to click on Activate. If you have a theme as zip file, you can install it manually. Click on Add New, and then at the top, select Upload Theme. From there, you can upload the file from your computer. How do I delete a theme? To delete a theme, select the relevant theme. At the bottom right, you can delete it. And lastly, how do I get support? To get support, make your way to the theme directory. Select the relevant theme and scroll down to support. The best way to get help with a theme is by going to the themes related support forum to ask questions or review other tickets.